Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a newer subscriber, then you most likely haven't seen this area of my apartment, and this is why. This storage room is totally out of shape and it's great space, so I want to make better use of it, get rid of some things, and make it decent again. I've attempted to have some type of organization in this hall closet, but it's just becoming a catch-all for random junk now. So in today's video, I'm going to be decluttering and cleaning and reorganizing this entire space, so I hope you guys like it. First off, we changed the light bulbs to make it a lot brighter, and we talked a little bit about where we wanted things to go. I purchased all of my storage bins and baskets from Walmart, and all of the decor is from either Burlington or Ross. I also did incorporate some of what I already had as well. Now I'm removing everything from the storage room, and you will see my mouth move at times because my husband is trying to guide me through the whole process, which I appreciate, but I'm kindly reminding him that I have the vision, so just go with it. I ask him to hold the camera and he instantly turns into a director. I'm giving him all types of stubborn looks and backsass throughout the video. He's super late to the game, but I give him credit for pitching in and helping. So here I'm just about to hang this sign on the wall. This sign I found at Burlington, and it was, I think, $9.99. It's super cute. I love that it says, "Let's stay home," because if you know me, you know I'm a homebody. And yes, hubby did come in and hang this up for me. These adorable interlocking shelves I found at Burlington also for $14.99, and I like using shelves for displaying decor. It's more versatile than just hanging pictures on a wall. In my opinion, it totally transforms a space, especially when space is limited. Now to tackle this hall closet. This is also where I store organizers that aren't in use. The plastic organizer at the bottom I've had for years. It's old, it's broken, so I'm throwing that away. The papers are guides for some appliances that we have. I'm gonna just sort through everything and reorganize.
I used to walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you. Where do I go? Where do I go? How will I know? How will I know? I used to walk these roads with you.
Now I'm sorting through some seasonal decor, cables, screws, batteries, tools, things that my husband usually needs to find, so that's what we're talking about here.
rows with you.
I decided to store my decor in 3 bins. One is for fall and Halloween, Christmas, and then year-round decor that I keep on top so I can access easily when I feel like switching it up.
I used to walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I rained without you. But where do I go? Where do I go from here? Where do I go?
Now I'm mopping the floors with my favorite cleaner, the Method Squirt Mop in the Sage scent. You guys see me use this all the time, and I wanted to point out that I have a laminate flooring and I haven't noticed it leaving any film. It smells great and it cleans so well. Not to mention it's super convenient. So if you guys haven't tried this, go ahead and give it a try. You will not be disappointed. If you guys are new, then you probably haven't heard me talk about this bench before. We found this at the IKEA as is section, brand new in the box for $14.50. It was originally $195. It's heavy, solid oak, and I'm so happy that it finally has somewhere to go. This diffuser was sent to me by the company iSpeckle. This was my first time using it and it's not going to stay in here, but I thought it looked nice, so I just went ahead and included it. I really love how this turned out. It's not a dark, junky closet anymore. My kids can easily sit and put on their shoes. I got rid of the hanging shoe organizer. This looks much more neat and presentable, in my opinion. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and I will make more like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Of course, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you all in my next video.